Hello, and welcome to Philosophy 390, Gender Studies 390, Feminist Philosophy. My name is Brian Smith, and I teach in the Department of Philosophy and Religion, and I'm very excited that we are offering this course this semester. It is an online course, as you know, but it's a blended one, meaning we will be meeting once per week in a classroom. That will be on Mondays at 1 o'clock. So we'll see each other this Monday, August 20th at 1 o'clock. In the meantime, if you're interested in just getting started, have a look at the syllabus. You'll see it below this video link. There's also a short quiz you're supposed to take on the syllabus. It's not very hard. And there's some other useful information there that you can have a look at now, in particular concerning the technological requirements for online courses here. If you have any questions about that or about the course in general, never hesitate to send me an email. My email is listed there. We'll also be talking about all of these things on Monday when we meet. So I look forward to seeing you then.